Hi and welcome to my review of the Poweroak 120 watt folding solar panel and the Bluetti AC50s solar power bank, or as they call it, solar generator. This is something that I think is the perfect setup, especially for van life or camping, caravanning, whatever. Just the way that these systems are actually designed, you know, the way that the panel sits on the floor at the right angle to the sun to get the best solar it can possibly get. All the connections that fit straight into the back of the solar panel, ready for it to connect into the solar generator. Really good quality materials. I cannot fault the design of it. Something that's really lightweight. So like I say, it's a 120 watt folding solar panel. Connects to MC4 connections, so you could actually connect it up to your van's original system, entirely up to you. On this way we've got it connected up to the back there using its own little converter it comes with from MC4 to the barrel connection at the back. So it's a 45 amp hour lithium battery in there, so plenty of power, enough to power, like I say, a 300 watt pure sine wave inverter, and we were using that to power the van, basically hooked up to there as if it was our electric hookup, and no problems with it at all. Put this out during the day, charges everything, and then at night time when you need a bit more of a boost of a power, you can plug this into your hookup and then it's all sorted out. Nice and compact, quite durable. Little case takes good knocks as well, not really that heavy in comparison, and certainly something that you can use outside, you know, if you want to power lights outside, a music system, projector, you know, charge your phone between a few people. You can literally go anywhere you want and set up like this, and you've got power then straight away. You know, even if you're doing a van conversion and you've not get around to doing the power yet, you can just chuck this outside your van like we've done, put it on the floor, set it up in the sun, and then you've got power then. So it really is very flexible, no pun intended, flexible panels. But you will find many more uses than I'm giving you for it now. I'm just giving you examples of how I find I've used it, and other people who've got them, how they use it as well. So yeah, really good bit of kit. So just to go over the efficiency of this panel, a lot of panels state that they're so many watts, and when you plug them in you don't really get that. But on this one, as you can see there, that's a 120 watt panel, and it's delivering 113 watts of power. So I would say that it's pretty damn efficient, really. Just shows how good that panel is, especially with the fact that it collapses so well. Got the little handle and the stowage bag on the back of it, and the kick stands as well. Really stable little stands on it to give it the right angle to meet the sun, so that you do then get a really good return on your charge power. Say 112, 113 watts, and that is going to charge that back up really quickly now. And this setup's ideal for camping, whether you've got tents or campervans or motorhomes. You look at the field here, and there's a selection of everyone doing everything: tents, motorhomes, everything like that, campervans. And the beauty about it is that is going to power, whether it's just simply your phone, whether it's going to power a TV, maybe you're going to plug your laptop in there to charge it, or maybe, as we do, you keep it there fully charged, and then when you're really suffering with the van, and it's not been sunny for a few days, you've not driven for a few days, then you can actually plug this in and hook up to it. There's a 300 watt pure sine wave inverter there, 2 sockets on the front of it, and obviously this is going to give you 500 watt hours of charge time, of hookup time, which, you know, could be the difference between running everything in the van as normal, you know, your water pump, your lights, everything like that, or running out of power. And that's what I think is good about this. The fact that it's in a nice little rugged case as well is brilliant. I love the colour of it, definitely love the colour. You have got obviously the usual USB points on the front there, so you've got some 3 amps and some standard 2 amps. You got your PD45 on there as well. Like I say, the 2 pure sine wave inverter sockets there for the inverter. DC outlets as well, so if you do want it to power outside lights or something like that, then you can plug those in. They're just barrel connections. I'll link to those. They're available on the Amazon and eBay. You've got a 12 volt socket on there as well, 10 amp, so it means you can plug all sorts of devices into there. You know, maybe you've got a car charger, laptop charger, or something like that, maybe a sort of 12-volt kettle or something, you can plug those in. The top of it is actually a wireless charging point for a phone, and on the back where you plug it in to charge, little spider coming along there for review. Hi, little spider. You've got a little light as well, so you plug a light on, dim, and it's got a little SOS function as well. And that's where you plug in all the chargers, whether it's the solar panel charger, your 12-volt cigarette lighter charger socket, or whether it's the AC adapter charger as well. And the beauty about this new model, this is the updated model. Remember I told you on the last one that if you charged it on 12 volts, it only ever got to 80%, so only ever 4 bars in there. Well, when you charge it on any of the systems now, whether it be the solar power, whether it be 12 volt off your car, or whether it's, you know, via a 240 volt socket, it's always going to charge to 100% now. So that's a major thing. You can always charge it wherever you are and get it to its maximum level, you know, while you're driving along, get it all charged, that kind of stuff as well. So yeah, I think it's really good for that. Like I say, I've got great respect for these people that are making these products specifically for our little sort of like niche leisure pastime or full-time van life, because it really does allow you to just crack on and always remember that you've got a little battery pack sat there ready and waiting should you ever need it. So as you can see, out charging it in the field with a solar panel, that's great too. I do like the fact that this model now, the AC50s, can actually be charged to 100% via 12 volts. So as you're driving your vehicle down the road, plug it into the vehicle side, not your leisure side, because that will detract from the power your vehicle's giving to your leisure batteries while you're charging it and driving. So plug this into the vehicle side, and that'll still give you a full charge back to your leisure side. I'm sure you get me. But yeah, I like this one. I can charge my phone from wireless charging. I can plug my laptop in there. Mine's a 2017 model MacBook Pro. It's quite efficient as it is, which is the reason why I chose it, but I do spend a lot of time editing, probably about 3.5 days a week, so half of the week now, and that's what I love about this one. I can charge my laptop, I can charge my drone batteries, I can do all that kind of stuff on there, and it doesn't take away from the power that we've got in the van. It's coming up to winter now. I understand that solar's going to be less power charging up the van and that kind of stuff, so really need to balance the power needs of the van and us living in it, and obviously making the films for you guys to watch. So that's the reason why the AC50s I think is a winner for me. The ability to charge it to 100% from inside the van, and not only that, but the Poweroak little fold out solar panel. I mean, it's just fantastic, isn't it? The design of it's great. The fact that it just is the perfect size, folds away nice and neatly, plugs straight into the back, charges it up nice and easily. And the way they've designed it so that it's the perfect, almost perfect angle to the sun, 45 degrees, with the little flips that come out the back with the Velcro straps and that kind of stuff. I think it's brilliant. As a package, it's going to give you everything you need. Last time I did it, took it around about half a day, charged it full. So yeah, pretty neat and little combo, that little solar panel and that, and obviously through that we can charge the bikes. Like I say, we can power this up. It's just really convenient having this power wherever you need it as well. So yeah, absolutely love it. Links to buying one and all the other Poweroak, Bluetti and Maxoak devices, it's all part of the same company. All their links are down in the video description. Big thanks to Bluetti, Maxoak, Poweroak for sending this out for review. And yeah, I've loved using it for about the last 2 or 3 weeks now. Right, thanks for watching. Hope you're having a good time, and we'll catch you on the next video. See you later. Bye.